So this assignment is in Google Classroom, has been set up so that the students can collaborate with each other rather than having them work on separate assignments. To have them be collaborating, it's just one slide deck, and then the students can edit the file. There's a similar literature circle file that I had, and I made a different copy for 8 different reading groups that I have. And each one of them in the Google Classroom then has their own assignment that's here that's then only for the students who are in that group. So right now it is the small group time for these students. They're all in a Zoom. I have myself muted on the Zoom. And while they're working, I'm able to see, and I know which students are in. And if you mouse over each of the bubbles, it would tell you the student's name, so you can know who's in here. But not only do you know who's in the file and who's working right now, over here you're able to see exactly what page each student is on. So you're able to know if they're on the page that they're supposed to be on. Right now, while they're working, they're in different locations, and one of the jobs as discussion director does need to go and look and see what other students are doing, and then come back and create questions here on the discussion director slide. But then ultimately, when we get to the point in our meeting when they're presenting, I can know if all of the students are on the slide that the student who's talking about, who's speaking, I can see that they're all at the same page. So both, you can monitor them while they're working and then be able to leave them notes if you need to leave them notes. But also you're able to see when it gets to the point where everyone should be together, are they all in the right place, or is someone still continuing to work on their own, and be able to talk to them either in Zoom or leave them a private chat over in the Zoom and get everybody where they need to be. So for instance, here I have a slide where they're not getting started where other kids have. I want to see if they need a little help. I can leave them a comment and let them know, hey, I see that you haven't gotten started yet. Do you need something from me? To which often they'll then go ahead and respond right in the box for me. And then I can know what their thought process is. For this activity, because I'm rotating through these jobs for each reading section, what I'm doing is just keeping in the same slides and then going and importing slides and pulling from a master copy that then just has the blank slides that are ready to go for each one. And I'll make a fresh set of job slides and just import them. I keep it in the same one, and I'll just update what our new goals are. So now that the students are presenting, I'm able to see that they're all exactly where I want them to be. And that's how I'm using collaborative slides during small groups.